The world of finance is a relentless and unforgiving domain where the tides of fortune can swiftly shift and leave individuals and institutions devastated in their wake. While some argue that finance is a meritocratic field where success is solely determined by skill and hard work, a closer examination reveals a system rife with inherent inequalities. Welcome to Luxo-Life, your partner towards personal growth and success, where we delve into the secrets of success and wealth. Today, we'd like to introduce you to one of history's most successful entrepreneurs. Wait, you know him already? Well, that's not surprising at all. Andrew Carnegie rightfully belongs to the Finance's World Hall of Fame, and his financial wisdom is a true treasure that lasts for generations. So in this video, we're going to be giving you some of Carnegie's top tips that would set you on the true path to wealth. People who want to become wealthy and powerful often find the financial world brutal and harsh. When pursuing this goal, the economic environment frequently exhibits its innate injustice through a roller coaster of ups and downs. The Gilded Age's most well-known individual, Andrew Carnegie, saw both the heights of triumph and the negative side of the financial world. Industrialist and philanthropist Andrew Carnegie was a Scottish-American who lived from 1835 to 1919. In the late 19th century, he contributed significantly to the growth of the American steel industry and was one of the wealthiest people in history. So, let's get to know 5 of Carnegie's best advice that would help you stay on the path to wealth. Starting with number 5, build a strong work ethic. Carnegie had a strong work ethic that went beyond his accomplishments. He surrounded himself with accomplished people who shared his vision because he believed in the value of cooperation. He was recognized for selecting the best candidates and frequently compensating them well to ensure their dedication and devotion. He was a firm believer in giving his staff members chances for development. At a young age, he recognized the value of education and self-improvement, often spending his spare time reading books borrowed from a local library. His thirst for knowledge helped him acquire the skills and knowledge necessary to succeed in the business world. In his early career, Carnegie worked his way up the ranks, starting as a telegraph messenger and later becoming a telegraph operator. He demonstrated exceptional skill and work ethic, leading to opportunities for advancement. He eventually entered the steel industry, playing a pivotal role in revolutionizing the production process and building Carnegie Steel Corporation, which later became part of the United States Steel Corporation. While Carnegie was undoubtedly driven by financial success, he also recognized the responsibility that came with wealth. Later in his life, he dedicated himself to philanthropy, aiming to improve society and make a positive impact. He donated a significant fortune to established libraries, educational institutions, and various foundations. Number 4. Save before you spend. Andrew Carnegie is often attributed with the quote, "Don't save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." This quote reflects Carnegie's philosophy on personal finance and wealth management. One of the wealthiest men in his era, he made his money mainly in the steel business. He was well known for his charity and favored using riches for the benefit of society. Nevertheless, he is credited for saying that it is the moral duty of the rich to contribute to the community and utilize their money to enhance the lives of others. Although the praise implies that saving should come before spending, it is essential to comprehend Carnegie's thinking in its larger context. He urged people to manage their money wisely and to set aside some of their earnings. However, he stressed the significance of spending riches for good causes and positively impacting society. Number 3. Start a business. According to Carnegie, economic prosperity is mainly driven by entrepreneurship. By launching a business, individuals support wealth growth in their communities and job possibilities. Successful companies also help boost local and national economies by creating tax revenues that can be used to fund public services and infrastructure improvements. the importance of entrepreneurship in promoting economic growth and lowering poverty levels was acknowledged by Carnegie. He also recognized its crucial function in changing industries and influencing the future. He maintained that entrepreneurship fosters innovation by enticing people to use their imaginations, spot market gaps, and create novel goods or services. Entrepreneurs promote society by bringing novel concepts, ideas, and methods to the market through their businesses. This unwavering commitment to innovation results in better effectiveness, productivity, and quality of life for people. Number 2. Generosity matters. According to Carnegie, affluent people should try to live modest lives and give back to the community. He made the case that wealthy people are responsible for utilizing their resources to advance social justice and the welfare of their fellow citizens. In an article titled The Gospel of Wealth, which he published in 1889, Carnegie outlined this viewpoint. He emphasized the value of generosity in his book and advised affluent people to actively participate in charitable giving while still alive rather than leaving their money to their successors alone. He felt that philanthropy should concentrate on tackling the underlying causes of social issues and supporting scientific research, libraries, and other initiatives that would benefit the general population. The fundamental idea of Andrew Carnegie's rule is to utilize your power and fortune for the benefit of society. The measures you can implement will depend on your situation and resources. Giving to charities, sponsoring educational programs, advocating for social issues, and funding activities that benefit local communities are examples of how to do this. It's important to remember that the Gospel of Wealth has also been criticized and discussed over time. Some contend it unfairly burdens the rich while failing to adequately address underlying problems fueling inequality. Nevertheless, arguments on wealth redistribution and the duties of the wealthy in contemporary society are still influenced by Carnegie's theories. Number 1. Be proactive. When Carnegie acquired control of the Carnegie Steel Company, it grew to be one of the world's biggest and most prosperous steel producers. He revolutionized the industry by introducing the Bessemer process, which sped up and reduced the cost of steel manufacturing. The quick industrialization of the United States was greatly aided by this breakthrough. Issues also followed Carnegie's success and fortune. Particularly during the Homestead Strike of 1892, he was notorious for his brutal business methods and the severe treatment of employees. At one of his steel facilities, a walkout led to bloodshed and fatalities. Carnegie experienced a change of heart and turned his attention to philanthropy. He subscribed to the Gospel of Wealth, which promoted using riches for societal advancement. The latter years of Carnegie's life were devoted to donating his enormous money to various charities. Among his significant charitable contributions are the founding of public libraries, the Carnegie Endowment for International Peace, the Carnegie Institution for Science, and Carnegie Mellon University. Additionally, he provided funding for establishing several public libraries across the US and other nations. His philanthropy had a lasting impact on education, research, and cultural institutions. His donations helped make knowledge more accessible to the public and promoted scientific advancements. While Andrew Carnegie is no longer with us, his legacy persists. He serves as a reminder of the complexities of wealth, industrialization, and the importance of philanthropy in shaping society. Thank you for watching this video about Andrew Carnegie, one of history's most influential industrialists, philanthropists, and embodiment of the American dream. His innovations and business strategies led him to create a monopoly in the steel industry, making him one of the wealthiest men in the world. However, he believed that wealth should be used for the greater good and dedicated the latter part of his life to philanthropy. As Carnegie once said, "The man who dies rich dies disgraced." His commitment to giving back remains a powerful reminder that true success lies not only in personal wealth, but making a positive difference in the lives of others. Thank you again for watching and learning about Andrew Carnegie. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe.